Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When you do a factory reset on your Android device, it erases all the data on your device. It is similar to the concept of formatting a computer hard drive, which deletes all the pointers to your data, so the computer no longer knows where the data is stored.
Let's help you make your mark.
It will not remove the device's operating system, iOS, Android, Windows Phone, but will go back to its original set of apps and settings. Also, resetting it doesn't harm your phone, even if you end up doing it multiple times.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But if we reset our device because we noticed that its snappiness has slowed down, the biggest drawback is the loss of data, so it is essential to back up all your data, contacts, photos, videos, files, music, before resetting.
Take our lead.
Regardless of whether you use a BlackBerry, Android, iPhone or Windows Phone, any photos or personal data will be irretrievably lost during a factory reset. You can't get it back unless you have it backed up first. That said, the effect of wiping all the data on a phone is sometimes helpful.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Turn off your phone, then press and hold the power, Bixby key and volume up key, then press and hold the power key. Release the keys when the Android mascot appears. When the Android System Recovery menu appears, use the volume down key to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and press the power, Bixby key to proceed.
Take our lead.
A hard reset, also known as a factory reset or master reset, is the restoration of a device to the state it was in when it left the factory. All settings, applications and data added by the user are removed.
Let's help you make your mark.
Press and hold the power button, then press and release the volume up button. Now you should see Android Recovery written on the top together with some options. By pressing the volume down button, go down the options until Wipe Data, Factory Reset is selected.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.